Welcome to Things You Can Do to Lose Weight Naturally. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Are you struggling to shed some pounds? Have you tried every diet out there but nothing seems to work? Today, we're going to discuss natural, sustainable ways to lose weight. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of regular exercise. Walking, running, or cycling can greatly improve your metabolism and help you lose weight. Making exercise a habit can be a game changer in your weight loss journey. Next, consider portion control. It's not just about what you eat, but how much you eat. By reducing your portions, you can naturally limit your calorie intake. Hydration is key. Drinking water can aid digestion and keep you feeling full, reducing the feeling of hunger. Replace sugary drinks with water or herbal teas to cut down on empty calories. Speaking of food, prioritize whole foods. These are foods in their most natural state, like fresh fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains. They're packed with nutrients and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Don't forget protein. High-protein foods take more work to digest, metabolize, and use, meaning you burn more calories processing them. They also take longer to leave your stomach, so you feel full sooner. Similar to protein, dietary fiber can help you control your weight. High-fiber foods generally require more chewing time, which gives your body time to register when you're no longer hungry, helping you avoid overeating. Sleep is another critical factor. Lack of sleep can interfere with your body's hunger hormones, causing you to eat more. Ensuring enough sleep can help regulate these hormones and assist your weight loss. Avoid processed foods. They are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium, which can lead to weight gain. Swap these out for healthier options. Regularly consuming probiotics, found in foods like yogurt and kimchi, can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. This balance is linked to weight regulation and can enhance your weight loss efforts. Another helpful tip is to practice mindful eating. This means paying attention to what you're eating and savoring each bite, which can help prevent overeating. Avoiding stress is also crucial. Stress can lead to emotional eating and weight gain. Engaging in stress relief activities like yoga or meditation can help manage stress levels. Remember that consistency is key. Weight loss may be a slow process, but your perseverance will pay off. Cutting down on alcohol can also aid in weight loss. Alcoholic drinks often contain a lot of sugar and can lead to weight gain. Now, this might sound odd, but don't forget to eat. Starving yourself isn't a healthy or sustainable way to lose weight. Eating regular, balanced meals is much more beneficial. Finally, remember to love and accept your body at every stage of your journey. Losing weight should be about improving your health and feeling better, not just about how you look. To wrap it up, remember that there are no shortcuts to effective, healthy weight loss. It's all about adopting a healthier lifestyle and making long-term changes to your eating and exercise habits. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.